Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup, and it's very easy and simple. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. For the foundation, I'm using the Dior Powdered Foundation, and this is the Dior Skin Nude Air Powder, and this is in the shade 30. I feel like this is barely any coverage, but it makes my face one tone. So that's why I love using it for like everyday. Probably sometimes I just throw on a mascara or eyeliner and just go out of the house. But this foundation is my go-to because I don't like full coverage. Honestly, I don't feel like I want to cover all the blemishes and pimples and the scars all over my face because I'm a normal human being. I have scars, I have pores, I have blemishes, I break out. Sometimes I feel like my face is out of control, like I can't handle it anymore. That's why I cover it to feel better about myself. Next, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand. I feel like this concealer dries so fast, so that's why I try to work as fast as I can with it. I don't know if my face is too dry for this concealer or what it is, but I feel like it dries super fast. So whatever is left on the sponge, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the tip and the bridge of my nose. Because I had my eyebrows microbladed, but I realized that here, the tip of here is not sharp and it is longer than this one. So honestly, that was something that I never paid attention to. So recently I started taking some of the concealer that I have, a little bit, not too much, and outline my eyebrows and shape them the way I want it, and then fill them in. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade, and this is in the shade Soft Brown. Now I'm just going to brush them out to even out the color. Now for the contouring, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contouring Palette. I'm just going to take those two shades. I usually like using my fingers just to blend it in a little bit. And now to enhance the cupid bow, I'm just going to add darker on the middle line and on the sides. For the eyeliner, I'm using the Sephora Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the shade number 1, which is black. So what I do usually, I'll take out the brush and twirl it around just to take off any excess, because I could always go darker or add more eyeliner, but taking it off is going to be a mission, honestly. Next is the eyelashes, and I'm using the Telescopic Mascara from L'Oreal Paris, and I love layering this mascara. Oh my god, see, I can't talk and apply makeup. Now for the blush, I'm using the Estee Lauder brush, and this is in the shade Pure Color Envy. for the highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow, and this is in the shade Perla. And with the same silicone sponge, I applied my concealer. I'm just going to dab a little bit on it and dab it around the areas I want to highlight. Because my lips are always dry, I'm going to use the Vaseline Lip Therapy. And I know you're not supposed to stick your fingers in makeup stuff, but this is mine. Last but not least is the Mario facial spray. And I'm just going to spray it in. So this is how I look like most of the time, or without makeup, honestly. But this is my everyday makeup look, and it's very simple and easy. I don't feel like it takes a long time. It just took me a long time because I'm talking to the camera and I'm trying to apply makeup, which I'm not very good at that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.